Welcome back to Shaving Down Under and another unboxing video. And this one is another one that originated in Australia. So we'll quickly jump into this one. Make this a quick game. Quick game's a good game. Oh, Mighty Shiny Finery. Let's see. Bring out the blade. That should be enough. It's well packaged. Okay, let's break into this. I don't even know where to start. It's very well packaged up. I might have found a way in. Now, this is something I've been collecting now for just over 12 months, and I never realised, oh, this is amazing. I wonder if that can be fixed. I don't know what the hell's happened there, but there was a British Goodwill, a Gillette Goodwill razor release, and I never knew about it till just a few, oh man, maybe only 2 weeks ago. And one popped up. I couldn't believe it. And I just haven't noticed one before, so I grabbed it. And there it is. Made in England, Gillette. This is it. Oh, there's a razor blade in there, I reckon. As you can see there, that's the Goodwill base. The American ones were, I believe, all gold. Oh no, there was no blade in there. It felt like there was. Let's have a look at that anyway. Looks like the brass coming through there. Here we have the handle. And it looks like it's crack free. Usually with these ones, if you're just new to the game, a lot of these old Gillettes, you can find cracks at either end, but not with this little beauty. Doesn't sit even though. No wonder they gave these away and then made money out of the blades. That looks like I've got it even. So there it is. Some Gillette blues. That's inside's made of tin. It's been cut out, pressed down. So let's put the blues away. I'd imagine it will sit like that and like that. Let's have a look at this case again on the outside. That is amazing. Absolutely amazing. Okay, hope you enjoyed the video. We'll catch up with you soon. Ciao for now.